What's up guys, Daily Driven FP6 here, and today I'm going to be talking about the 5 things that I love the most about my Honda Civic Si. I've only owned this car a short while, but it was very difficult picking just 5 things that I love about this car that make it such an excellent daily driver. The first thing that I love about this car is the K24. Specifically, this car has the K24 Z7. This motor has so much low-end torque compared to most Hondas, being between 2,000 and 3,500 RPM. It's a very usable portion of the RPM range that most Hondas, especially someone that used to drive a D16 and an old EK, that is just not present in most other 4-cylinders. It's truly remarkable how big of a difference it makes when daily driving to have low-end torque. The second thing that I absolutely love about this car is that it has a 6-speed transmission. Having that extra gear compared to the 5-speed in my EK makes a big difference in what it feels like to actually drive this car. That extra gear forces you to shift a lot more often, and because those gear ratios are so close together, the car feels very zippy, it feels very responsive, and it's just an amazing driving experience. The third thing that I just absolutely love about this car is the aftermarket support it has. There's so many parts to pick from so many different manufacturers and so many different dealers. Like, you can get parts for this car seemingly anywhere, as well as just regular run-of-the-mill parts at your average auto parts stores. So it really is very easy to work on and modify this car because parts are so readily available. Even for a car that hasn't been around super long in comparison to, say, my EK, this car is 10 years old. I didn't think that there would be that many parts already produced, especially high-quality parts, say from Acuity or Hybrid Racing. I wasn't sure that there were going to be that many parts to help modify this car and make it unique. But boy, was I wrong. You can find parts anywhere, eBay, Amazon, everywhere. So the fourth thing that I absolutely love about this car is how much interior space it has. And generally, you don't think of a Civic Si being a roomy car, but this car is pretty large, all things considered, especially for a sports sedan. But all this room makes it a fantastic daily driver and something that is very usable. For example, I've traveled with my girlfriend and my parents with a full load of stuff in the trunk, and there's room to spare. Like, no one feels super cramped. It's a very roomy car, and it doesn't really look like it from the exterior. The fifth thing that makes this car such an excellent daily driver that you can modify is the creature comforts and the modern features. For example, this blind spot monitoring camera is wonderful because you can have it automatically come off and on with your right turn signal, and the AC, your heads-up display, that is a big one. Granted, a lot of these creature comforts and modern features are pretty standard on cars today, but 10 years ago, this was a pretty special car. In my car, I've got the 2016 Honda CR-V head unit, which is a plug-and-play CarPlay solution because Honda was toying with the idea of putting CarPlay in that generation CR-V, and it has all the same plugs, keeps the same 7-speaker configuration, and you maintain all of your original functions without having to buy a bunch of wiring harnesses and do a bunch of wiring. It's literally plug-and-play with this 2013 Civic Si bezel, the carbon fiber piece that goes around it. So just the ability to add even more modern features along with the included modern features and creature comforts make this car an excellent daily driver. It's super comfortable and it's still fast. By my standards. right, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. This has been my top 5 favorite features of my 2015 Honda Civic Si. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.